when we've harvested some organic strawberries, we bring them indoors and we put them in a solution of vinegar and water. 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water. Leave them in there for 10 to 20 minutes and then we take them out, drain them off, dry them on a tea towel and then let them air dry. Just like this. Put them on there, just fold them over like that, just help them on the way to dry them out. And then just let them air dry. And what this does, it kills off bacteria, gets rid of any tiny little insects, basically sterilises them, but don't leave them in too long, otherwise they'll taste the vinegar. So as it say, 1 part that, 4 parts water. And then when we're done, after 10 to 20 minutes, just pour it in there like that, so we can reuse it. Probably reuse it 4 or 5 times till it starts looking mucky. So anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.